So this is sort of a continuation. This was a motor that came in where they disconnected the alarm wire so that the low oil buzzer wouldn't go off. So we filled it all the way with oil, connected it back up, and the alarm wasn't active anymore. And so we were just doing some more diagnostics. Here's the spark plugs, brand new spark plugs. He charged the lady for them, put them in. So there's one. Looks like 40,000 gap that it's supposed to be. Here's the other. Looks like about 40. And here's what I pulled out of number 3. And you can see it doesn't have any gap at all. So sort of makes sense why it wasn't running on that cylinder. Also charged her for wires, spark plug wires. Those are spark plug wires the receipt showed for an S10, and so they're silicone wires and not what you'd put on a boat, but those are wires that were purchased and said for an S10 Chevrolet, and you just cut them off and stuck them in there. And I'm not quite sure how that's working. And missing a bolt, that's no big deal. That's just a bolt. And I'm not sure how this quite works up here, but that's upside down. And that affects your timing. And that probably makes me realize why these adjustments right here aren't right, is because that tab right there is supposed to be flipped upside down from where it is and go up top. And when I saw that spark plug with the electrode mashed down, pulled all the spark plugs out, looked inside with the each cylinder on the top, and there's no damage to any of the top of the spark plugs. So the brand new plugs that were put in there probably didn't have any gap on them when they were put in, because that's the only way you'll get that kind of damage right there is if the piston hit it, and we don't see any kind of damage to the top of the pistons looking through the spark plug holes. So all that seems to be good. So we're gonna straighten this little thing up right here and see if that'll help it run, since that is a base timing adjustment on it.